Good morning. We're doing 710 on, let's see, Tuesday, October 13th. We're doing a 2-pack break. Crown Royal and a signed football or signed baseball 8x10. Teams are as follows: J-Rex 49ers, Bucks. Derek, Steelers, Texans, Packers, Jags, Redskins, Chiefs, Ravens, Falcons. Josh, Vikings, Browns, Bengals. Keith, Colts, Giants, Bills, Jets, Patriots, Broncos. E, Saints, Raiders, Rams. Chargers, Eagles, Titans, Cardinals. Baseball teams. I got a bunch. E, Diamondbacks, Orioles, White Sox, Dodgers, Brewers. Derek, Angels, Braves, Giants, Mariners, Blue Jays. Josh, Twins, Cubs, Astros, Marlins. J-Wags, Athletics, Cardinals, Pirates. Those are your teams. There's going to be one random. If I get one of these two hits, either an auto or a jersey, if I get an auto or a jersey, then there will be two random hits. If I don't, there will only be one. We will take that to random.org. There's 10 left in that, in my top 100. So, here's your first pack. Good luck, everybody. Draw a couple from the back. Ooh, for the Packers. Cool looking card. King's Court. Not numbered. Well, Aaron Rodgers on it. Jordy Nelson, Eddie Lacy. We have a Henry Josie rookie card out of 99. He has Eagles helmet on, but there's a Jags emblem there. And a Jags emblem there. So he is going to go to the Jaguars. Sometimes they have a picture and that's all they can get of him. And then they change teams. So he is a Jaguar. Which I believe will go to Derek. You would think I would know all the teams by now. One second. I'm gonna get the Jaguars are going to Derek, so they will come off of the hit board. Jacksonville Jaguars. So let's see. I'll do mine after. So Derek, even though he's got an Eagle, out of 99, Henry Josie. Not sure who he is, but cool looking card. We got die cut Tom Brady, just normal for the Patriots. And die cut Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins. Ooh, a good one. Oh, it's number 2. Heirs to the Throne, Odell Beckham Jr. out of 499. $88, that's not his number. Oh. Heirs to the Throne. Nice card. Odell Beckham Jr. I'm guessing Keith going to the Giants. It's a decently thick jersey card too. I think it's going to fit in one of these. Oh, yes it is. That means it's 100 point, I believe. Odell Beckham Jr. out of 499. Nice card. So Keith will come out of the random hit box. Giants. Okay, then I gotta take mine out. Again, if I forget one, it'll just get skipped. Panthers, Seahawks, Dolphins, Lions, Bears, Cowboys. Bears, Cowboys, Lions, Seahawks, Dolphins, Lions, Bears, Cowboys. Okay. Okay, got that all set. So now, the big guy. 2015 History of Baseball, one signed 8x10 per box. Good luck to everybody. Yeah, you know, it's sealed. Push will lose 2 football teams off the random. It's been me or J-Wags every time. Good luck to everybody on this one. No way. Oh. That's Johnny Bench. That is one of the reasons I believe I kept the Reds. Yeah. Cincinnati Reds. That's awesome. Johnny Bench. One of the big catchers in history. 1968 NL Rookie of the Year. 10-time Gold Glove, 14-time All-Star, 2-time MVP, 1970 Major League Player of the Year, 2-time World Series champ, 1976 World Series MVP, 1975 Lou Gehrig Award, 1976 NL Babe Ruth Award, 1981 Hutch Award, Hall of Fame, 1989. So that is awesome. I am stoked about that. Good news for you guys is if you didn't get one of these, you were hoping I did, because then there will be another random hit of my collection. But that is sick. Johnny Bench, TriStar Authentic. Boom. Okay, so I'm obviously not getting any hits in this thing. So let's see what you guys are getting. Go to random.org. That's sick. Okay, we'll put all the teams up that haven't got a hit yet. Then we're gonna put all my hits up, randomize those, top 2, which could be 2 hits or it could be 6 hits. Who knows? Let's randomize it. Okay, so come on, come back. Share my screen. Last time it was zoomed in a little, so we'll zoom out a little. Okay, here what's left. One touch tight end auto jersey, GMA graded running back auto out of 50. Beckett graded rookie wide receiver auto. GMA graded rookie, signed 8x10, booklet plus rookie auto, Hall of Fame auto still in there, and jersey card. Complete card set. Okay, so we're gonna randomize this 3 times. Top 2 will be what you get. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. We got a 1-touch encased, which is not. There's a Beckett graded wide receiver, 1-touch encased tight end auto jersey, and a GMA graded rookie running back auto out of 50. So there will only be 2 cards, but these are pretty sweet ones. Which I had 2 tight end ones. 1-touch encased. Signed number 10. Lot 2. Let me look on my phone. That is awesome, Johnny Bench. Panini encased. Did I not do? I might have not included one of them. If so, it's fine. I will just include it in the next one. I might have not included one of them. Okay. Well, either way, you are getting a one-touch encased tight end jersey, and you are getting a GMA graded rookie running back auto out of 50, number 1. These are 2 cool cards. Huh. I totally must have. So these are you're only getting 1 card for each of these. These guys are both actually quite good players. So this will be, somebody's going to be happy with this one. So the first random is going to go tight end encased, one-touch encased tight end auto jersey. And that, come back, is going to be this nice card. Austin Seferian-Jenkins auto, rookie auto jersey. Not numbered, put it in a one-touch. Topps Finest 2014. So that will go to the first spot. That's a nice looking card. And the second spot will be one of my, what I think is one of the better cards that I'm giving away. I got the Hall of Fame auto, and then I got this one. He had a good week this week. GMA graded 9. Doug Martin on card auto, numbered to 50. That will go to spot 2. Both Buccaneers in this week. GMA graded 9 out of 50. Doug Martin on card auto rookie. So that will go to the second spot. Fingers crossed on this one. Okay. I must have one touch encased. I must have forgot one of my items in the list because I know I still have it. Okay. Well, I will worry about that later. Go to random.org. List randomizer. I got that, so that doesn't matter. Hopefully everybody can see this. Yeah. Okay, 3 times, top 2. Each get a hit. Randomize 1. Randomize 2. Good luck, everybody. Randomize 3. Green Bay Packers, New York Jets are your top 2. Green Bay Packers. I think they're going to go to Derek. Green Bay Packers are going to Derek. New York Jets are going to Keith. So Derek is getting Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Keith is going to be getting Doug Martin out of 50. Derek, there you go, buddy. Finally back to getting hits. And Keith. Nice card right there. I like Doug Martin. He had over 100 yards and a touchdown, I think, this week. He might have even had 2 touchdowns. He had a good week. Quick recap. Odell Beckham Jr. going to Keith. Keith with a nice break. Henry Josie, running back. Jags going to Derek with a nice break. I'm absolutely stoked. Johnny Bench. Rookie of the Year, 68. It's inscribed. He was a bunch of other things. Hall of Fame in the year I was born, baby. 1989. That's going to do it, guys. I got to get some more boxes, and I think I'm getting football signed 8x10, so that'll be cool. Thanks, guys, and I will get back to you.